Welcome back students. I am your SST teacher Vandana Joshi and you are watching SST Joe. Students, as we already know, there are three types of resources. That is natural resources, man-made resources and the human resources. We already studied about the natural resources and the man-made resources. So today we will study one more type of that resources, that is human resources, in our 6th chapter of Geography, Human Resources. A country has many natural resources as soil, land, minerals, water, wildlife, but without humans, these resources cannot be discovered, developed and utilized. The best use of these resources of that country is possible just because of the human resources. If we talk about the human resources, not all the person, but the skilled and the hardworking persons we can consider as a perfect human resource. So today we are going to study what are the human resources, what is the distribution of the population as human resources, what is the density of that population, and what are the factors which are affecting the distribution of any area's population. So let's start our today's chapter. Quality of a country's human resource is more important than the quantity of a country. Quality of the people refers to the knowledge and skill, level of technological development and their efficiency to develop resources. So, the population of a country turns into a human resource, which can be developed resource as per its requirement. So, let's see how its requirement of people is distributed all over the world in our next topic, the population distribution and the density. So, what is population distribution? The way in which people are spread across the Earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. The single fact is that the population distribution is not uniform, means the distribution of population is unequal. More than 90% of world's population lives in about 10 to 30% of the land. Some areas are very crowded and some areas are sparsely populated. So let's look upon a map for knowing about the population distribution. So there are many factors which are affecting to the distribution of population. So let's see what are the factors which are affecting to the distribution of population of any particular area. As we can see in this flowchart, there are many factors which are affecting to a distribution of population in a given particular area. So these factors are basically divided into two parts, that is geographical factors and the social, cultural and economical factors. If we talk about the geographical factors, topography, climate, soil, water, minerals are the geographical factors. And the social, cultural and economical atmosphere is known as the social, cultural and the economical factor. So now let's see one by one how these factors are affecting to the distribution of any area's population. First we will talk about the topography or the relief. Landforms and altitude affect the number of people at a particular place of area. For example, flat plains have the highest concentration of humans as agriculture, industry, and transportation network are easier to set up here. Mountains, plateaus, and hills are less favorable for human habitation. For example, the Indo-Gangetic Plains are one of the world's most populated area, while mountains like Himalaya, Rocky, and Andes are sparsely populated. Second factor is climate. It is the most important factor which affects the population distribution. Areas having temperature climate are densely populated, such as China, Japan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, India, Western Europe, USA, etc. Means the areas which are having a moderate climate, these are densely populated. But hot desert like Sahara, Atacama, Thar Desert, and cold deserts such as Antarctica, North Pole have very less population due to extreme climate. Next factor is soil. Areas where fertile soil have higher density of population as it allows scope for agriculture. For example, fertile plains of river Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, the Nile in Egypt, and the Huanghe in China are densely populated. Next factor is water. Water is required for domestic purpose, transport, agriculture, etc. Life is not possible without water. People tend to live in the areas where fresh water is easily available. For example, many of the largest cities are located along rivers such as New York, Kolkata, London, while deserts have sparse populated due to scarcity of water. The next major factor which is affecting to the distribution of population, that is minerals. Areas where minerals deposits attract mining companies and a large number of people. Deposit of tin in the west coast of peninsular Malaysia, diamond mines in South Africa, and discovery of oil in the Middle East led to settling of population in these areas. Now let's see what are the factors, the human factors which are affecting the distribution of population of a given area. The social factors. Areas that offer better education and housing system and have better health facilities such as Mumbai have a higher concentration of people than smaller towns without such facility. Meaning to say, the areas which are having the social facilities, these are densely populated as compared to the less facilitated area. Now next is the cultural factor. Social custom, beliefs, and attitude towards life also affect the distribution of population. Places where religious or cultural significance attract people like Varanasi, Jerusalem, and Vatican City are a few examples for the cultural factors. The most important factor is economic factor. How this is affecting? Let's see. More job opportunities in many areas led to a high density of population. For example, most industrial areas around the world are densely populated. Lesser developed areas without many job opportunities have lower density, and often people migrate to other places looking for jobs. So students, in our today's video, we have seen what are the human resources and how these resources and the growth of population is affected by the different factors. In our next video, we will study more about the human resources. So for that, keep watching SST Zone.